Welcome, today in front of me Blackview A90 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let us first open the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to change ringtone volume of your device you should swipe this white dot to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and click on the three dots, and after that by the same way just swipe to the left or to the right side this volume panel, and then just tap here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.